The parliamentary status is that before the chair declared the suspension, there was a motion
Before
to
we-
cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang.
Mr. Chair.
And let me finish first. And the former mayor has asked the committee to listen to his explanation. And in the spirit of fairness, we'd like to hear former mayor explain also his side. And perhaps he may be able to answer the queries asked by the members of the committee. So, Mayor Tumang, para po maliwanag, ang tanong po sa inyo kung kakilala nyo po si Eddie Yang. Ang sabi nyo po kanina, hindi. Yung pangalawang tanong, tinanong po kayo, ilang beses po ba kayo nagkita, nagkasama, nagkausap ni Mr. Eddie Yang? Ang sinabi nyo, isang beses lamang po sa munisipyo. Pero meron pong impormasyon na nagsasabi na magkasama pa ho kayo sa China.
Pictures.
At this is supported by photos. So, bibigyan po namin kayo ng pagkakataon na sumagot dun sa katanungan ng aming mga kasamahan. Para naman po, hindi naman po kayo hindi mapagbigyan. No? Ano po ang inyong sagot sa katanungan ni Congressman Paduano at ni Congresswoman Luistro?
Thank you po, Your Honor. Hindi ko na lang po sinabing once ko lang po nakita namit si Willie Ong. Si Willie Ong po twice sa munisipyo po. Si Eddie Yang po, so many times. Pero yung first namit ko po si Willie Ong and Eddie Yang sa munisipyo po. And then, pagkatapos po noon, marami na pong series na nakita na po kami ni Eddie Yang dahil bumili po sila ng lupa. Hanggang pumunta po kami ng China, in-invite po kami doon. Doon po lang po nakilala si Eddie Yang. Ang pinupunto ko po, hindi ko po personal nakakilala po. Namit ko lang po sila sa munisipyo. Pero so many times po nakilala ko na sina Eddie Yang. Pero si Willie Ong po, twice lang po.
Chairman, kana
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
ito kasi yung problema. Alam ko na, sinabi ko na kanina, Mayor, pinagdaanan na to natin Dalawang committee, dangerous drugs, at saka yung Mexico. But sabi ko nga, kaya kayo inibitahan dito, including your brother, and all those research person from Mexico, Pampanga, because there is a resolution by me na yung drugs, yung drugs, at saka illegal acquisition of properties of Chinese national will be forwarded to this committee. Kaya hindi ka Mayor, ganito kasing style mo Pag tinanong ka ng isa, sabihin mo, sinabi mo kanina, hindi mo personal kilala. Sabi mo sa munisipyo, now when I ask you, yung China travel, inamin mo. Now, dinagdagan mo ngayon na several times because on record, during the committee hearing, you know personally Eddie Yang and Willie Ong. Mamaya po, papakita ko sa iyo na magkakilala kayo ni Willie Ong.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang style mo kasi, Mayor Tumang, sorry, pero ang style mo, bulok. Alam ko na yon. Pag tinanong ko isang tanong, sasagutin mo. Pag tinanong ko isa, sasagutin mo. Better you were asked if you knew personally Willie Ong and Eddie Yang. That's why pinakontempt kita. Because you lied. Dito sa harap ng mga resource persons. Di ba he's lying? Sabi niya kanina, hindi niya kilala personal. Sa munisipyo lang. Ngayon, sinabi mo na ngayon, kilala mo si Eddie Yang, you met several times. Twice lang kayo ni Willie Ong. But I will establish to you that you have transactions with Willie Ong. And you will not make transactions with a certain person, especially kung hindi mo siya kilala. And you're lying. Di pa tayo umabot doon sa proof ko. Mr. Chairman, sabi ko nga, naglulukuhan ba tayo dito? Alam mo na, kabisado na namin to. Nako, Mayor,
Bigyan natin ng isa pa
with that, Mr. Chairman, my motion to cite in contempt, I've already cited the violation. Unless there will be a second or members of this committee will vote in the negative.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Nandito, nakikinig ng mga resource person.
Hindi po ako
I
nagsisinungaling.
challenge resource persons present in today's hearing kung totoo ba na nagsinungaling siya o hindi. Alam ko na kasi, Mayor, yung sasagot mo. Ilang beses na po tayo nagkita
Ang mga
sa mga hearings. Kaya nga na-contempt ka rin nung nakaraan, di ba?
Yung mga sagot ko po, pare-pares lang po, Your Honor.
Anong parehas? You're lying to your teeth.
Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, anyway, sabi niya, he still stand, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Once again, Mr. Chairman, I just like to manifest once again that my motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang still stands. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
Okay,
Chairman, I second.
Yeah, there is a motion to cite in contempt Mayor Tumang. And this was duly seconded.
Hindi po ako
Are there-
nagsisinungaling, Your Honor.
Are there any objections?
Point of order. Point of order.
So I will reiterate the motion. There was a motion to cite in contempt former Mayor Tumang for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this was duly seconded by Congressman Akop. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Former Mayor Tumang is now cited in contempt. And we'd like to ask the Sergeant at Arms to please assist and escort former Mayor Tumang. Are there any other motions that you'd like to? Okay. So, any other motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Akop.
before I file or I move for the second motion, please allow me to explain why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Caraps Paduano.
Please proceed. You have 3 minutes, Congressman Akop.
Thank you. Ako po ay membro ng Committee on Public Accounts, Vice Chairman ng Committee on Dangerous Drugs, kaya alam ko po yung istorya na sinasabi ni Honorable Paduano. Why? Kasi religiously, nag-attend po ako ng mga hearings ng public accounts at saka kwan. Mayor Tumang, kung ano po yung style ninyo doon sa committee hearings, ganun po rin yung ginagawa nyo rito kung hindi ka nako-confront ng mga ebidensya na hawak ni Chairman Paduano, hindi mo inaamin. Inaamin mo lang pagkatapos na ma-confront ka na may mga ebidensya siya. Do not try to fool the members of this committee. Iisa lang po yung utak po ninyo Napakaraming utak nandito na pinakikinggan ka at saka inobserbahan. Kilala ka na namin talaga Di ba? Kung hindi sinabi ni Honorable Paduano na meron siyang pruweba na pumunta kayo sa China kasama itong mga taong ito, hindi mo aaminin. Kasi ganun din ang ginawa mo dun sa Committee on Public Accounts. Nandun ako. That is precisely the reason why I seconded the motion of the Honorable Paduano, Mr. Chair. Kasi alam ko rin na nagsisinungaling siya. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman